Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can add someone on your best friend list on Snapchat. So first of all, open your Snapchat account and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon which is at the top left corner of the screen, and this will open your profile page as you can see. Now here scroll down and you will see the option with add friends. Tap on the option. Now to add a particular friend, tap on the add option, or you can type the name of the person here. The whole idea is that in order to become best friend on Snapchat, you must communicate with them more than you communicate with most of your other friends. So you can add a particular person, and then so if I add this particular person, now this person will appear on your friend list. Go back and tap on the my friends option and start communicating with the person you want to make the best friend with. So start send lots of text and snaps and so on. Then the Snapchat will identify them as a best friend, and that's how they will be added as a best friend. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.